Hello and welcome to a video on Just. In this video, I will guide you on collateralizing USDJ on the Just lending platform. First, go to our homepage, just.network. Click on Products and select Just Portal. This will open the CDP portal in your browser. For this video, we will use the TronLink wallet. Now, log in to your TronLink wallet. After logging in, we will come to this page. On the right side of the page, we can see the balance of TRX, USDJ, and JST in the wallet. In the middle, there's an Open CDP button, and we click this button to begin. On the left, we fill in the amount of TRX you want to collateralize. On the right, the amount of USDJ you want to generate. Note that the collateralization ratio cannot be lower than 150%, which is the total value of the deposit amount divided by the USDJ you wish to generate. 150% is the minimum, or else your CDP will be liquidated. Now let's pledge 500 TRX. You can see the maximum amount of USDJ you can generate here. Here, let's put in 4 for the amount of USDJ we want to generate. Now you will see a warning reminding us that the amount of USDJ generated will bring your CDP much too close to 150%, meaning the CDP has the risk of being liquidated. To avoid this risk, we enter 2 instead of 4. Now you see that the pledge ratio has increased. Moving on, let's select this button. Check to agree to the terms of service, then select Finalize and create CDP to continue. Click Accept in the window on the left to confirm. Now, you have just generated 2 USDJ. Note that on the right, 1.999 USDJ increased to 3.999. Next, let me explain these 4 functions here. Deposit. It means to pledge more TRX into the CDP. When you pledge more TRX, it means that you can generate more USDJ. Or if you do not plan to generate more USDJ, you can do so to increase your pledge rate and keep it above 150% and avoid the risk of liquidation. Withdraw. In contrast to depositing, this means taking out the pledged TRX from the CDP. It should be noted that you can only retrieve TRX if your pledge rate is higher than 150%. Payback. This means returning USDJ to CDP. Note that your collateralization ratio must be higher than 150% in order to pay back. Generate. This means borrowing USDJ from CDP, and this will make the collateralization ratio lower and closer to 150%. Now, let's deposit more TRX into the CDP. In the pop-up window on the right, enter 200 TRX. Take note of the projected collateralization ratio and click Deposit. Then click Accept to confirm. Notice that the collateralization ratio has increased and that the deposit amount is at 700 TRX. Select Withdraw and there will be another pop-up window. Note the amount available to withdraw. Let's put in 300 TRX and notice the projected collateralization ratio. Select Withdraw. Then, Accept to continue. Note that the TRX collateral is now at 400 TRX. The collateralization ratio is lower, but the generated USDJ is still at 2. Let me show you how to pay back USDJ. Click the Payback button. Notice we have to pay a stability fee in order to repay USDJ with the options of JST or USDJ. We suggest using USDJ. Next, enter the amount of USDJ we want to pay back to CDP. We enter 1. We see the projected collateralization ratio has increased again. Click Payback to continue. Then click Accept to confirm the transaction. Now you can see the number of generated USDJ has decreased to 1. If you want to generate USDJ again, simply click Generate. A Generate USDJ window will pop up. Now we enter another one USDJ we want to generate. Note that the projected collateralization ratio is now closer to 150%. Click Generate to continue and accept the confirmation request. Now we see that the generated USDJ has increased to 2. Finally, I will teach you how to close your CDP. Note that you still have an outstanding 2 USDJ left. Choose to pay the stability fee in USDJ, then click Close. Accept to confirm and finalize the procedure. And now you have no CDPs open, which means you have successfully closed your previous CDP. Done! Now you know how to collateralize USDJ on CDP. Thanks for watching. If you have more questions, please contact our service team at this link.